Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to install macOS updates without installing macOS Monterey. Wondering how we can install updates to existing macOS installations like macOS Big Sur and macOS Catalina without jumping ahead and installing macOS Monterey? Well, there is a pretty neat way to install macOS updates without installing macOS Monterey. While macOS Monterey is available to download now for anyone who wants to install it, not everyone may be ready for the update. Fortunately, Apple offers system software updates and security updates to the most recent two prior generation system software versions, in this case macOS Big Sur and macOS Catalina. So if you'd like, you can install updates for those versions of system software and avoid Monterey. That all being said, let's dive right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get going, click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and select System Preferences. After that, choose Software Update. Then look for the tiny blue text More Info button under the text saying Other Updates are available and click on that. Then select the updates you wish to install and choose Install Now. Then separately make sure that Automatically Keep My Mac Up to Date is unchecked or adjusted via Advanced so that Install macOS Updates is not enabled. It's worth pointing out that for macOS Big Sur, you will be able to find system updates like macOS Big Sur 11.6.1, Safari updates, security updates, and others. For macOS Catalina users, you will be able to find available Safari updates and security updates. Going forward, the updates to both macOS Big Sur and Catalina are likely to be limited to simply Safari updates and security updates, as Apple usually puts development effort into refining the latest generation of operating system, in this case being macOS Monterey. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can install macOS updates without installing macOS Monterey. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.